guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys my birthday maintenance routine, so let's get right into it. I don't know if I'm the only person that does this, but when I don't have time to install my wig, I put the band over my lace. I know it's not the ideal situation, but it just helps me get ready faster in the morning. I just comb my hair out, sleek my hair into a ponytail, and I'll head out the door. Y'all already know that my skincare routine is always on point, but lately, since it has gotten colder outside, I've just been upping the dosage on the vitamin C and E serum and also on my moisturizer. I've been growing like pimples all over my face. I have no idea where it's coming from, but I'm pretty sure it's from how cold it is outside because y'all, the breakouts are going crazy and so are my dark spots. But you know, if I figure out how to get rid of them, I'll let you know. So I'm just gonna start off my morning with a morning prayer and then head to the gym. The gym has been a lot more packed than usual, so I just usually focus on weight training, sometimes getting on the treadmill, but let me tell you guys, Stairmaster is becoming my best friend. I did not film it this time, but you know, I will next time. So I'm just gonna head off into my nail appointment. I went to Picasso Nail and Spa, and you guys, this place is beautiful. Honestly, the footage I even got for you guys cannot even do it justice, but I was like, this is truly the soft life. Like, come on with the soft life. Like, you guys, this is like, the place was so beautiful, I can't even explain it to you. I also provide you with complimentary drinks. I got the hot chocolate because when I got there it was like 10 a.m. Like, asking for a glass of champagne just does not make any sense, especially since it was so early in the day. I got the hot stone pedicure, and you guys, this was so relaxing. I just can't wait to go back. Oh my goodness, this is truly the soft life. I already know that this is my beauty spot. I'm going to make my way to Lavish Beauty Bar, whether it's for my lashes, my brows, my nails. But today I am here for my nails and I am so excited. I was inspired by this nail inspo that I found on Instagram. I don't know, I'm just growing out of that phase where I'm just getting designs all over my nails. The last time I got my nails done, it was when I was going to Europe, and I got nothing on my nails, just nice and a pink classy look. But this time around I am going for the almond, and I never do almond, which is so crazy. But I am not getting a crazy design. I'm just doing something soft on my nails. And yeah, I don't know, staring at my nails like this is just so weird because guys, I never get almond. I don't know if it's just me, but does anybody else have the urge to just walk out of the nail salon with their nails looking like this? I do understand that it's not cute just leaving the salon like this, but I'm just gonna continue the process. Guys, this is my final look for the nails, and Kira absolutely killed it. And now it is time for my lashes and brows. For my lashes, I got the hybrid full set. I think the last time I got a voluminous set, I think volume, I meant volume, guys. Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry. I got the volume set the last time, only to last for my entire vacation. This time around, I just went for my regular hybrid full set. For my eyebrows, I did a wax, shaping, and tint, so it would give the illusion of a brow lamination. Guys, it is not a brow lamination, it is just a tint, so it makes it look like my brows are brow laminated. But obviously Shay really kills it for my brows to really look like it's laminated. Thank you, Shay. Guys, this was literally moments right after my birthday dinner. Like the second I got home, I quickly washed my face and moisturized it. Something about makeup that just makes my skin dry. I just don't know why. I'm going to be using the Tula, I think it's the brightening vitamin C serum. I'm just going to place that on my face to hydrate my skin just a little bit, especially after makeup. I'm just going to also... This is the only way that I can dry my lashes. I don't have the fan that other girls use, so blow dryer will do for now. Thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next one.